Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated smartphones of 2025, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. Samsung is once again shaking up the flagship game, and this device is already turning heads across the globe. So let's take a closer look at its features, expected price, and possible release date. The Galaxy S25 Edge brings back the iconic Edge display, but this time with a futuristic twist. You get a stunning 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, a super smooth 144Hz refresh rate, and almost invisible bezels. The under-display camera finally feels mature, and the whole thing is wrapped in a titanium frame with Gorilla Glass Victus 3. It's sleek, bold, and built to impress, whether you're in New York or Singapore. Samsung is teasing some wild additions this time. Rumors hint at holographic display elements and an advanced AI assistant combining Bixby 2.0 with ChatGPT integration. It also runs on Android 16 with One UI 7, making the entire experience feel smarter, cleaner, and more personalized than ever before. If you're eyeing the base model, expect it to start around $1,999. The ultimate version? That could go up to $1,599, depending on your region. It's definitely not cheap, but for what you get, it just might be worth it. Under the hood, the S25 Edge comes equipped with either the Exynos 2500 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, depending on your region, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of internal storage. This phone is clearly built for speed. Gamers, power users, or anyone running heavy tasks, this one's got you covered. Plus, the 6,000 mAh battery and 65-watt fast charging mean you'll be unplugged for longer and charged up faster. Let's talk about those cameras. You're getting a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 12-megapixel periscope telephoto with up to 10 times optical zoom. Video lovers will love the AI-powered 8K recording at 60 FPS. Whether you're capturing sunsets in Cape Town or cityscapes in London, the S25 Edge is ready to shoot like a pro without carrying a separate camera. Samsung's highly anticipated Galaxy S25 Edge was officially unveiled on May 13, 2025, during a special event. While rumors about the device were circulating, especially around the January Galaxy Unpacked event, it was during May that Samsung officially revealed the full details.
I think it could be your next flagship phone. What do you think?
Is the Galaxy S25 Edge worth the hype? Or are you waiting for something even bolder? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart tech updates.